how to record audio on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to easily record audio on your iPhone using the built-in Voice Memos app. So let's dive right in. First, locate the Voice Memo app and then you'll need to open it. It is usually located in the folder called Utilities. So once you tap on it, it will open up and you will see a big red button. That's your record button. Just tap on it to start recording, and then you will notice that it is recording with a countdown timer indicating how long you've been recording. So when you're done, you simply just tap the stop button, that is the square red icon. And then once it is saved, you can see that the new recording appears on the list right there. So it's as simple as that. You've just recorded audio on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.